these days. Like, it's so dumb.
I know. It's like, kapow, I just want to throw them right in the fire.
I know, like, seriously, you don't know anything.
They don't. Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Where's the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? I'm gonna kill you. Where's the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? I don't know where the money. I know the money too somewhere. Stupid Amazon, get out of here. Where the hell is that man? There has to be more in it. Oh, where is he? Yo, there you are. God, took you long enough. Call the boss. Just call the boss. No, just call the boss. You wanna go? You wanna go? Go on. The boss doesn't need us. Just call the damn boss. I'm calling, boss. Come, boss. Shut up. Just call the boss. I want to listen to you sing about it. You calling him or what? Hello?
Yeah.
What? It's good, and we can't really hear you that much.
How many did you kill?
Only one. The other one escaped. Yeah. Show your mouth, pig. Witness! Shut the mouth! Witness! What? Oh, great God! Hurry up! Yeah, kitty cat, you better run! Alright, let's go search the house. Witness! Let's search the house for him. Freezing kitties these days, too. What? I can't forget this. Go find her. Oh my God! Oh my God! Get down! Get down! Get down! Right! We're gonna do it! Stop, man! Witness! I'm gonna shoot that cat. Where is he? You better not forget those baiters. Ah, here he is. Witness! What's up, man? Stop! Alright, they're over here. There's one of them. There's two of them. Yeah. Alright, that's what I thought. Hey, look, American Idol. Yeah. Should rehearse. Yeah, we should. Okay? Alright. One, two, three, four. We got one of them done. We got 2, 3, 9, 5 billion done. If we want to be like us, we gotta kill! 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 Yeah!